Hello, my name is Salamone. I attended Wauwatosa Southwest High School. I started with the GPS ad in the fall 2021 because I knew since freshman year I like working with my hands and I like to get a head start in my career. The job achievements I'm most proud of learning how to maintain the drum washing machine, operate the mat rolling machine, and learn how to patch the mats at ITU. These achievements are something I would be able to learn in regular high school. I developed a good relationship with my mentors and I have a lot of respect for them. We had our differences, but they're always there for me, and they always gave me good advice and they find a good way to always help me. I am most proud of passing my MSSC safety and quality exams. My most challenging test was finishing all my blueprints and honestly getting all my assignments done for the school year. I tend to forget and needed constant reminders. All the hands experiences on work have benefited me more than what a regular high school would have. I also learned what I'm good at and what I don't like about my job placement. I would have known this just from reading about it. The actual experience taught me to look for a different career path, and it might be a business degree that I pursue in my future. I will miss all the people I met along the way and all the events we did. My most favorite memory are the events like the boat regatta, then the volunteering for the Hunger Task Force, and lastly, the community service we did at Fox River Park. I'm going to miss all the events with my friends at Lakeside. One way I'm planning on staying connected with the students and teachers by visiting them after I graduate. In the GPS Ed program, I gain more knowledge about the manufacturing world by touring several companies and learning about them and what they do. I appreciate the chance to work in one of the companies. I discovered it wasn't the best fit for me, but I also learned a lot on life and work skills, and eventually helped me make my career plan more clear. And both my academics and career pathway, Journey and Rocio, have helped me the most. Rocio helped me with all my academics and schoolwork. Every time I asked, I didn't understand something in the classroom. She was always there. Peer helped me with my job placement and the lessons, blueprints, and MSSC. I would like to thank them. I would like to share my final thoughts with you. You have all worked hard. You deserve to be proud of this achievement. And make sure to take the opportunity to celebrate. Good luck and good health to all of you.